Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, first off, we're rocking some space buns. I was like, I can't be bothered to do my hair today. It's 72 right now. Yesterday it was really rainy. I was like, you know what, just have fun. I texted a friend, I was like, am I too old for space buns? And she's like, no, rock them. So I was just like, haven't done it since I was a teenager. Let's have some fun with them today. And I'm really enjoying them. I did try to keep my makeup a little more subdued, just natural, played around with some things that I've really been loving. It's more of a get ready with me, not so much of a chit chatty thing, because I'm running late. I'm supposed to be meeting some friends for brunch. And I wanted to do some makeup, show you guys what I've been using like in a daily routine, not necessarily like going through what's going on in my life, if that makes any sense. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to see how I got this look to go to brunch with some friends, just keep watching. Okay, I'm gonna start out with P. Louise base, prime my eyelids. This isn't gonna be really like a talking video just because I'm kind of in a hurry to meet up with my friends for brunch. But I just want to get ready with you guys. So I'm gonna lay down to music while I do my makeup. And these are just the things that I have like been enjoying on the weekends when I just want quick, easy, just out the door type of makeup. I don't think this video will be too long if I'm not talking to you guys, but I hope you enjoy it. Today's just gonna be a very chill day. And oh, by the way, I did space buns. Haven't worn those since I was a teenager. And I asked my friend, I was like, am I too old for a space bun? She's like, rock them. So that is what the hair is doing today because I couldn't be bothered to put it down at all. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal. I'm using the one in Bubble Bath. Literally, it won't focus. This is by far one of my favorites for like a neutral, don't budge kind of makeup look. I'm gonna use the Kylie, this is the Shimmer Eye Glaze in More Pie Please. These are no longer like on her site, but they're stunning. The similar ones that I really like are the Marc Jacobs Scattered Lights, or no, Marc Jacobs Sequins, which I'm gonna also use Flashlight in the inner corner. But Tarte has some of these which are really cool. I just like anything that is like super shimmery and I don't need glitter glue for them. So just all over the eye. It just gives you that like really pretty sparkle. And in the sun, they're stunning. I think I've talked about these before. Like if Kylie releases these again, definitely buy them. Especially now that she's reformulated, I want to try those out. But this is one of my favorites. And then the Marc Jacobs Sequins. This one is in the shade Flashlight. It's just that really icy white. I used this one for my birthday. When I went out with my friend Casey so I used the top and just take a little bit on my pinky finger. I'm gonna put that right here. Primer, the Murad, Hydration Invisibler. For foundation, the CoverGirl Outlast Extreme Wear. This has been one of my favorites during the summer. I literally said I wasn't going to talk to you guys, and then here I am. So concealer, the one size, forgot the name of this, the Turn Up the Base. I used this in a previous video. I had a different shade. I went and exchanged it. This is in light 1N. It's such a better color, but I do like this concealer. And then for powder, I'm just gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder. So much better. Okay. Get off my brush. Oh my goodness. So much. You guys. Why is this? I don't usually, this foundation doesn't usually like settle into my lines. I'm talking and being expressionful. I have literally made the biggest mess with this powder. That brush was fully loaded. I'm glad I stayed in my pajama shirt. I didn't like actually put on what I was gonna wear just because I'm gonna wear like a little dress or whatever. I have this one from White Fox Boutique that I bought and I haven't worn it yet. But today is like chill, relax, like I'm gonna wear that today. Maybe if I remember, I'll take like an Instagram picture and post it. So go follow me on Instagram. All right, I'm gonna go back into Bubble Bath from 𝐬𝐿𝐇, just on my smudger brush. And just run that under the lash line. If you guys saw my springtime like makeup tutorial, this is a very similar like eyeshadow look to that. I think I just used different like makeup. I can't believe I did it with that powder. Anyways, contour, you already know, the 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐿 brush. For bronzer, I have been loving the Jaclyn Cream Bronzer in Sandy. This shade is just very like light. It goes on beautifully over powder. Seriously, one of my favorites. And actually, I feel like I need to zoom you guys out for this. Just a little bit, not too much. So I just go straight in with my bronzer brush and then stamp it into place. Nothing too precise because I'm gonna go and blend it out, and it kind of has a chance to like set a little bit, but not like too crazy. I have gotten so many compliments. Like, I don't usually get compliments on bronzer. I have gotten so many compliments using this bronzer. Just that they're like, oh, your skin looks great. And I'm like, the only thing I changed was my bronzer today. But I have been loving this. I really do hope that like she continues it, because I know there's a lot of people that wanted to try it and she ran out in their shade. So, and Sandy, I think, was the second to lightest shade, which was just really pretty. See, it just blended out and it didn't like pick up my makeup or anything after powdering. My Space Bun, it has like given up. It's just not happening today. And with the neck, I don't set the cream bronzer and it still just stays. It dries down and it's like, it's there. I have been loving it. I'm gonna stick with Jaclyn Cosmetics for my blush, which is the Rouge Romance. Yes. And I kind of want to try this shade, but it is so bright. I am gonna use Pretty Posh, which is one of my favorites. And I don't go in too heavy because they do have some pigment. So I just tap in and press it where I want to, and then blend. And a little on the nose. I don't know if you guys heard that. My cat is making a ruckus. She is downstairs running around. She's getting more comfortable in the house. So she's just like all over the place now. And then the Ofra highlighter from Steph Tom's. This is in Milk and Cookies. So I'm using the lighter shade for the inner corner, which is already very glittery. And also for the brow bone. And then both of them for the cheeks. Oh, this highlighter, you guys. Sochu, what are you doing? Sochu. I think she just bolted into my room. She is like a speed racer today, and I don't know why. It's also 9:39. She should be asleep. Hey, Chaos Cat. Sochu! I don't know what she's doing. It sounds like she's like shredding something with her claws, but I just trimmed her claws. Hey, Chaos, come here. I will a lot of times call her nicknames other than her name, and like sometimes she just looks at me like that's not my name. But she acknowledges it. It's weird. I don't know. I think it's just that I'm talking to her. Alright. For brows, I'm gonna go ahead and do the Nudestix Brow Gel. I have been loving this. I did get my eyebrows waxed and tinted yesterday, so I have some color. I will end up flicking the, where'd it go? I just had it. Haus Labs Precision Brow Pencil in medium brown. That will get flicked in after this dries down, which I think I talked about this in the video where I first tried it. And then for eyeliner, I'm gonna do my Lancome Le Crayon. So the Lancome Le Crayon, and then I am gonna try the Natasha Denona Macro Liner again. I used this the other day for work. It didn't leave, like, it wasn't transparent. I wonder if I just didn't like shake it up enough. There is a little thing in it. Can you hear it? So make sure to shake it. I think that helped once I did that. Whatever. And then for mascara, I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs At Lashed Blacker. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I did also set my makeup with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. It's one of my favorites. And then I did go ahead and line my lips with the Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0. This one's in Muted Pink. So for the lipstick that's gonna go on this, I'm gonna use the, what is this, Maybelline Baddest Beige. These are so good. Like, it just makes your lips so juicy, and because I already have the pink on there, but I didn't take it all the way, it's just gonna give kind of like that, like, your lip color. I like them because they're so like moisturizing and juicy on the lips. Like, I have this in like a spice color. Spicy mauve, but I feel like this is like the perfect shade for this look. Just on top of a lip liner, it's so good because it's just that like nude shade. Oh, you guys, so good. Love that one. All right, so that's it for this look, you guys. I did go and change into the dress that I'm wearing. This is the White Fox Boutique Self Love Club. It comes to a little bit above the knee, and I'll probably wear some like flip flops. I was gonna wear like my Chucks or whatever, but I'm already running late, so I can't be bothered to get them out of the closet, try and figure out which ones. No, it's just gonna be a flip flop kind of day, and hopefully, I mean, it's supposed to get sunny later, so whatever. But yeah, it's really comfortable. This I like because there is like a lining in it, so it's not super thin. I've gotten some off of Amazon and they're really cute, but they're like a super thin material. This I like because it has that like lining on it, so it's just a little bit thicker. But yeah, you guys. And I have a little bit of a tan, so like it's not on a pale pasty skin. I don't know. I just, a little bit of a tan, nothing crazy. I still wear my sunscreen. But you guys, I like how it looked or how it turned out. Let me know your comments down below. Do you like the neutral soft makeup? Do you like my bright, bold, beautiful, like colorful stuff? Dramatic? I don't know. This is kind of like what I do for work, except minus the epic amounts of glitter. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Until next time, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.